Whoa, that boy almost hit me. They turning this into a takeover. Where's he going? He's climbing the stairs? But he's trying to climb the stairs. Yo, what's good, family? Welcome back. It's another Legends meet, and wow, my character, his head turning. He looking at. I didn't know they could do that. I'm like looking at him. I didn't know that was a thing in CPM2. It's kind of cool. But yeah, we back again with the craziest CarMeets in CPM2 and CPM1. You know the Legends meets are nothing normal. We always got the cleanest builds, the craziest, most unique you'll ever see. I'm telling you. The last time it was CPM1, now we got it in CPM2, and look at all these cars. One thing though that I don't like about CPM2 is the shadows kind of glitch out sometimes when you're on high graphics. So I'm on ultra right now. Sometimes in multiplayer the shadows just glitch out, making the cars look weird. That's the only thing I don't like, but we're gonna try to bypass that and admire all the builds that the boys brought today. This is some of the most unique stuff. You'll see the most variation, I'll say, when I host these type of meets, like the kind of meets where you can bring any one of your favorite cars. That's what this type is. We're gonna have specialized meets very soon, but for right now I just let everybody bring their favorite, their craziest, or the most unique build they got that they want to bring to the meet. And so far they're really showing out. We got cars of all types. We got JDM, American Muscle, supercars. What else we got? BMW. We definitely got BMW, Porsche, classic. We got everything here, man. What are you doing up here, buddy? Can I catch him? Where's he going? He's climbing the stairs? But he's trying to climb the stairs. But he just got caught in 4K. But yeah, if you want to join these type of meets too, before we get into all the shenanigans, if you want to pull up to these meets, the Discord server will be pinned down below. We do both CPM1 and CPM2 depending on the days. Doesn't matter, we just be trying to chill and enjoy the game for real. Make it like the good old days, you know? So if you want to pop up and show out and show your builds in the channel and just chill and talk, I'm active in there. You just join down below. I'll put the link in the pinned comments or in the description, and hope to see you there. So right now, I'm gonna just take a look at all of these builds and see which one is the craziest in my opinion. It's gonna be hard to choose. There's so much diversity. They're all so clean in their own way. They got their personalities going on. I think I like all of these. I'm not gonna lie. I like every one of them. I'm honestly just lost for words. I don't know how to describe all of these except that, man, they're clean and they look fire. Like, what else am I supposed to say, honestly? Like, look at this Supra. You even got the manual vinyls on the. That's something unique I've never seen before. Honestly, this thing looks sick. Koenigsegg over here got a mini Koenigsegg on the windshield. Tell me these guys aren't creative. Like, come on, bro. I got the best people showing up to these meets. Y'all are the best. And I got my little Itasha Corvette over here. You guys will see the name. Nothing too crazy. Beside the classics right here. I love me the classics. Everything's looking so clean. I think I'm just wasting time trying to talk about that. We should just get straight into the action. We should cruise out and put these babies on the road, because everything's just looking too crazy to even describe. I don't even know how to rank these. You guys let me know. You guys are gonna have to do the ranking for me. Which one of these you think are the most creative or the best design that you think they brought in today? Because I can't. There's too many good ones. Oh, that boy almost hit me. They turning this into a takeover. But here we got the drifter spot, and even the F-150 I think is gonna try sliding it. Is he? Come on, whip that boy. He whipped the big boy at the yellow. And hold on, no, never mind. What is going on? What is going on, bro?